i-interview gamay na part sa research.
Yes, sure.
Number one, how do you select your research topics and what step do you follow from the beginning to end?
Alright, so um, last week we had our trainings about research, and I actually know some. Yeah, though although I had research when I was a college student, but then I know more about research last week during my training. So here are some of the let's say some of what I have learned. First, pwede ko Bisaya na? So first ako yung kanang pilion ng kanang unsa gyud interest kanang interested para nako, and or unsay kanang socially impactful. Yes. And basis that first I have to um, identify, so i-identify na kung ano interest. Then um, mangayo ko og kuan kanang advice, so i-consult na ko either ang akong mentor or ang akong mga colleagues about na topic, or is it good ba to use for my research. And then of course some of the topics are broad man, like kinahanglan jud ka mo choose og specific na topic. So kinahanglan nimo pilion og kanang ana asa ka mag-focus. And then after that, so um, you have to come up with questions before yeah, mukabag mangita ka og kanang or magdamba ka og mga questions na makaguide sa imong research. Yes. And also, I mean, after that, then mangita ka og kanang mga sources ni like yeah, mangita ka og mga sources ni or unsay mga mm, like for example maybe mag-research ka or try to use internet since it is very useful man. So yeah, kanang try to search sa internet sa mga kanang sources na or mga ways na ulit ako sa mga research. Then like I think here is you have to write on paper. That's very important. Like it's kind of your plan, like lesson plan. For me as a teacher, so we do that. We write lesson plan before we are going to yeah, teach them. So um, we have to write it para ma-organize dyan nato ang ato ang thoughts or yeah, about ato ang mga nakalat na kuan kanang parte sa ato ang topic. And then after that, yeah, of course you have to practice it.
Question 2, what are some of the most difficult challenges you have faced in your research and how did you overcome them?
Okay, so one of the hardest challenges sa teacher is ang kanang mahita og kanang reliable nga kuan kanang information. Okay, especially karon kanang a lot of informations are not reliable, like gama lang. So you have to find a reliable source of information kay ang topic. And also yeah, so maybe try to look or ato ka sa library mangita kag mga books or maybe website na kanang what is kana yeah, so reliable one po mga website.
Question 3, what is the most important skill or quality student should develop to become successful researchers?
For me, it's critical thinking is really very important. Yes, like research, lista jud ko ayo na. So kinahanglan jud kag critical thinking ana. So um yeah, so kinahanglan jud students should learn um yeah, kinahanglan jud ka makabalo sa mga questions nga ang inyong ipangutana, and also kana imong ang kana mga impormasyon nga imong kalat, you have to ano jud na carefully analyze them. And also Yeah, so just like as I have said earlier, nga, dili jud tanang information kay reliable. So you have to yeah, so kana make sure nga kanang dili jud ka mo tuod dayon. Kinahanglan pa ka mo kuan jud kanang how can I say deep research yeah deep research like para makibalo ka nga kanina po ang kuan sa mga
Question number 4. How do you ensure your research maintains ethical standards, and what role do ethics in your work?
well for me to I think being honest. Yeah, so you have to be honest with sa imong research. And then also, I can say, so respect to respect people. Like, immunity can hanggang dito sa mga approach mga tao. So you have to respect them and ask for permission.
Last one, what emerging trends or methodologies do you see shaping the future of research in your field?
So nowadays technology is really very useful. So for me, it is technology. So it can really help us a lot. And also, I can say like it is kind of help or make our research more efficient